Is your iMessage not sending or delivering properly? Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. And if your iMessage is not working on your iPhone, here's exactly what to check and fix. First, make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Then head into settings. Then scroll down and tap on apps. Again scroll down and tap on messages. Here, make sure that iMessage is turned on. And right below that, check that you have your phone number and Apple ID under Send and Receive. And if not, tap to sign in or select the right number and email. If it says waiting for activation or nothing's happening, try turning it off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. And also make sure that iMessage or messaging is not blocked under content and privacy restrictions inside screen time. And if nothing helps, try restarting your phone or updating to the latest iOS version. Still not working? Try signing out and then signing back in with your Apple ID. That should get your iMessage back up and running. And that's it. That's all for today's video. Thank you all for watching till the very end and stay tuned for our next upload.